So yes, tonight I'm in the Focus, but packing something called a V8 up underneath it, and I'll show you that right now. Yeah, so this is my V8 Focus. I decided to bring this instead of the Miata, so we'll see how that works for tonight. Something a little bit different. So if you look up underneath the hood, we have ourselves a beautiful V8. Over there we have a Pontiac with some lights. We have an unmarked car already watching us.
This is ground control to Major Tom.
So earlier over here we have a Honda van that showed up with a straight pipe. It was pretty fun showing up. We have other Hondas, quite a few. My friend Mikey is showing up, and we'll see how it goes. I must say, this is pretty cool looking, the Mitsubishi. You don't see that too often for a nice setup like that. Over here we have lifted truck. And we have a brand new lineup up through here, so we're going to go take a look at that here in a second. And we have a BMW that is purple. So as you can tell, this was one of the 5.0s at the other meet. Yeah, it's just a lot of other different little cars that are the same. This is now a Kanye album called Donda, because Dodge and Honda. Thanks to yours truly, Mikey, for making that up. So we are now at the second spot, and we have some pretty cool cars, some new ones, including this pimento cheese color Camry. So we're at a new meet, and we're out here at a speedway, out of all places, and it's wrapped around the whole building. It's kind of crazy, to be honest with you. Here's a Supra right here. So over here we have our selection of cars, all lined up in every way you can imagine. We even have a sticker boy up through here. Basically every car from the meet is now here. Now I'm just trying to meet back up with Mikey, wherever he is. And there's the Chaser.